This Coldwell banker Deborah Gandy and Associates property video is presented by Scott.spivey. This 2-bed/2-bath bungalow has a view of Lake Robinson that is gorgeous. This home has had final windows installed in 2018, the HVAC was new and installed in 2018, the water heater was replaced in 2012, 2 brand new garage doors were put up in 2019, septic tank recently pumped. This is truly move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Scott.spivey at 843-332-5100.